Good morning, children. So we are completed IIT syllabus now. Next we are going to the state syllabus. We are completed up to exercise 2.2. Okay. Already I gave the homework exercise 2.2. I hope you all are finished. Now we are going to the next topic, dividing polynomials. What is the next topic? Dividing polynomials. So before we are going to that one, we know the divisions. Suppose 25 divided by 3. How can you do this one? 25 divided by 3. You can divide like this. Okay. 3 8 24. 1 is the remainder. Okay. Now you have to do the write the division rule. What is the division rule, children? Divided equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, plus remainder. What is the division rule, children? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divisor, what is the divisor here? 3 into quotient. What is the quotient will get? 8 plus remainder. What will get? 1. Okay. So 3 8 24 plus 1 25. Okay. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here remainder is 1. So 3 is not a factor of 25. Okay. So 3 is not a factor of 25. Why? Because here remainder is 1. Okay. Next. See this one, 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4. Do 4 5 20. Here remainder is 0. Apply division algorithm. So divisor, what is the divisor? 4 into quotient. What is the quotient? 5 plus remainder is 0. Here remainder is 0 means, so what is the factor here? 4 is the factor of 20. When the remainder is 0, then the divisor is the factor of dividend. 4 is the factor of 20. But here remainder is 1. So 3 is not a factor of 25. Did you understand now? Now like this we have to find the polynomials also. We have to divide the polynomials also. Okay. Let us go one example. 3x square plus x square, sorry, 3x cube. 3x cube plus x square plus x. This whole divided by x. This will be divided by x. Okay. Now how can you do? 3x cube by x plus x square by x by x by x. Okay. So 1 is remaining. So what is the answer? 3x square plus x plus 1. Okay. 3x square plus x plus 1. So this is the division will get. So what is the quotient? What is the remainder? How can you find? We don't know. So how can you divide that? This is x 3x square 3x cube plus x square plus x. I am doing here. 3x cube plus x square plus x. Now divide it x. How can you divide this one? So first you should take the first term. What is the first term? 3x cube. 3x cube by, what is the divisor here? X. Okay. Now cancel it. So 3x square is it. So you should write here 3x square. X into 3x square how much? 3x cube. Okay. Subtract. It will be cancelled. Now bring down x square. Now divide this one. X square by x. 1x is there. So you have to write under quotient x. X into x x square. Remainder 0. Now bring down x. Okay. So how many times? 1 time plus 1. 0. Now what is the quotient here? 3x square plus x plus 1. It is the quotient. What is the remainder? 0. So x is a factor of 3x cube plus x square plus x. Why? Because here remainder 0 will get no. So what is the factor? X is a factor of 3x cube plus x square plus x. Did you understand now? Next. See the page number 38, do this. Page number 38, do this. Divide 3y cube plus 2y square plus y by y and write division fact. So you have to divide and write the division fact. Division fact is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Next, divide 4p square plus 2p plus 2 by 2p and write division fact. This one also you should divide by 2p and write the division fact also. Now example 6. Example 6. Divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, what is given here? Divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. You should divide with x plus 1. Okay. So let p of x. This polynomial can be taken as p of x. Like p of x is equal to 3x square plus x minus 1. Okay. Now you should divide with x plus 1. How you can divide? Same process. X plus 1. 3x square plus x minus 1. So first you should take first term. What is the first term? 3x square plus 1. Next what you should do? Divide by x. Here first term, here first term. 3x square by x. Cancel. What is the answer? 3x. So now you should divide, you should write the quotient with 3x. Okay, here what is the answer? 3x will get now. So you have to write the quotient 3x. X plus 1 into 3x you should do multiple. So x into 3x how much? 3x square. Next 1 into 3x how much? Plus 3x. Subtract. So 3x square minus 3x will be cancelled. X minus 3x. What is the answer? X minus 3x means minus 2x. Now bring down minus 1. Now take the first term here. Minus 2x. Here first term is x. Divide. Minus 2x by x. X will be cancelled. What is the answer? Minus 2. So you should write here minus 2. Now x into minus 2 how much? Minus 2x. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 2, 2. Okay, minus 2x plus 2x will be cancelled. Minus 1 plus 2, how much? Plus 1 is the remainder. Did you understand? Now, can you write the division fact? Yes, what is the division fact? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the divisor? X plus 1 into quotient. What is the quotient? 3x minus 2 plus remainder. What is the remainder? 1. Now, x plus 1 is the factor of this one, 3x square plus x minus 1? No. Why? Because here remainder is 1, no. So, it is not a factor of 3x square plus x minus 1. Okay, children? Common right. Next example, see children. Example 7. Divide the polynomial 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 divided by which x minus 1. Okay. And verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. And you have to also verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. Okay. First you should divide. How can you divide? X minus 1. 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. Okay. So first you should take first term in the dividend and first term in the divisor. So first term, what is the first term? 2x power 4 divided by, what is the first term here? X. Okay. Now cancellation. 1x will be cancelled, 2x cube will be. So this 2x cube can be write as quotient. 2x cube. Now multiple x into 2x cube, how much? 2x power 4 minus 1 into 2x cube, how much? Minus 2x cube. Okay. Now subtract. Plus 2x4 minus 2x4 will be cancelled. Minus 4x cube plus 2x cube. What is the answer? Minus 2x cube. Bring down minus 3x. Okay. Now again take minus 2x cube by first term is x. So 1x will be cancelled, minus 2x square is there. This minus 2x square can be written as a quotient, minus 2x square. Now multiple x into minus 2x square, minus 2x cube, minus of minus, plus 1 into 2x square, 2x square is there. But here x square term is there, children. Not there. So you should write here 0. Okay. X cube of the x square will get. But here not the x square term. So that's why you write here 0. Okay. So plus minus. These 2 will be cancelled. Minus 2x square. Now bring down this minus 3x. Okay. Now next minus 2x square divided by x. X will be cancelled. 2 minus 2x is remaining, I cancel quotient, minus 2x. Now multiple x into minus 2x, minus 2x square, minus of minus, plus 1 into 2x, 2x. So plus minus, these 2 will be cancelled. Minus 3x minus 2x, how much? Minus 5x. Bring down minus 1. Now take the first term, minus 5x by x. X will be cancelled. So minus 5. Right as a quotient, minus 5. Minus 5 into x, how much? Minus 5x. Minus of minus, plus 1 into 5, 5. Plus minus. These 2 will be cancelled. Minus 1, minus 5, how much? Minus 6 as the answer. Minus 6 as the answer. Okay, ma'am. Now, what you should do, you have to verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. You should verify. What is the quotient here? 2x cube minus 2x square minus 2x minus 5. And the remainder is minus 6 is the remainder. Now, you should verify that result. So here which one you should divide? X minus 1. Okay. Now the 0 of the polynomial, what is the 0 of the polynomial? X minus 1. X minus 1 is 1. Why? Because x minus 1 is 1. Because x minus 1 equal to 0 తీసుకుంటే x is equal to minus 1. If you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Plus 1. So what is the 0 of the polynomial? 1. Now you should substitute x value 1 in this dividend. Okay. So let's put x equal to 1 in f of x. put x is equal to 1 in f of x. So what you take, this one taken as f of x. So f of 1 equal to 2 into x plus the what enter only 1. 1 power 4 minus 4 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 1. 2 into 1 power 4 means 1 only. So 2 into 1, 2. Minus 4 into 1 cube means 1 only. So 4 into 1, 4. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Minus 1. Now 2. Minus 4, minus 3. How much? Minus 7. Minus 1, minus 8. So 2 minus 8, how much? Minus 6. See here remainder is minus 6. Here also minus 6. So both are equal or not? Yes, that is the verification. Okay, ma? Come on, right. Okay, from this sum we learned the one theorem. What is the theorem? Let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Let p of a is any real number. If p of x is divided by linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder p of a is p of a. What is this here? Remainder minus 6 will get. Okay, we are taking this one p of f of x. F of x is equal to, what is the answer? Minus 6, both are same. So what do you call the theorem? Remainder theorem. Now we are going to the theorem, remainder theorem. Right, remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. Let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let a be any real number if p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is what is the remainder? Here x minus a is there. So x minus a equal to 0 we will take. What will get x is equal to a. So what is the remainder? P of a. Okay, right. Next, example 8 children, find the remainder when x cube plus 1 divided by x plus 1. You should find the remainder. Okay. So what is the given question? So here x cube plus 1 divided by x plus 1 is given. Okay. So let p of x is equal to, what is that? X cube plus 1. Okay, now you should find the remainder. How to find the zero of the polynomial x plus 1. What is the divisor given here? X plus 1. So the zero of the polynomial x plus 1 is, what is the x plus 1? If you take x plus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 will get. So what is the zero of the polynomial of x plus 1 is? Minus 1. Okay. Now you have to replace x as minus 1. So replace x by minus 1. So substitute p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube plus 1. Minus 1 cube means how much? Minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 how much? 0. Now what is the remainder for this one? 0. So therefore remainder equal to 0. Okay, right. Now x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 1. Okay, why? Because here remainder is 0 now. That's why x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 1. So today homework is children, page number 38, do these problems, 2 problems. And next, exercise 2.3. First Roman, second Roman, you can do homework. So what is the first Roman given? Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomials. So x plus 1. So what is the zero of the polynomial x plus 1 means? Minus 1. Okay, you have to replace x by minus 1. We will get remainder. Like that same, x minus 1 by 2. What is the zero of the polynomial? 1 by 2. So you have to replace x by 1 by 2. Like that you can do. Okay, ma, that is the homework for you. Fourth one also, x plus pi is there. Okay, so x is equal to what is that? Minus pi. You can substitute minus pi. Third one, x. So you have to take x equal to 0. Okay, so you have to replace 0. Next, second one, find the remainder when x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p. So here x minus p is given. So what is the zero of the polynomial? X is equal to p. So you should replace x by p. In this one, you should replace by p. You will get the remainder. Okay, now. So first Roman, second Roman, you can do homework. Okay, now we will continue tomorrow, children. Goodbye.